Hi everyone, my name's Jeff and today we're going to do an unboxing of this small solar powered pump available right now on Amazon. We're going to put it in some water, see how well it works, and see what else comes in the box with it. Let's get started. So here's the box I received. It's very small. I actually was surprised by just how small the box actually is. Inside of it, you get your little fountain attachments, a USB adapter for the fountain in case you want to power it with USB and not with the sun, which this is going to come in handy for us in a few minutes. It looks like you get some mounting screws, probably for the solar panel. Here is the pump. It's very small, but that's actually what we want because this is for small fountains. And it looks like it has a little filter attached. And yeah, fairly long cord here. Looks like another mounting piece for the solar panel. We got a leg for this mounting piece, a ground spike, and here is the solar panel. It is really small and really thin, so I'm curious to see how well this will work. And let's see, last but not least, in the box, just have a little documentation. Looks like a warranty card, how to keep in contact with the seller, and the manual. All right, well let's see how it works. Since we're inside for this part of the demo, I'm gonna put the solar panel aside for now, because that's not gonna do us too much good in here. Along with the solar panel mounting stuff, I'm gonna attach the USB adapter to the pump. Okay, let me bring out some water. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw this in with no nozzles on it or anything and just sort of see what it does. I'm gonna try to not get electrocuted, but got some power right here, and here goes nothing. Let's plug it in. Oh yeah. It's a nice little stream of water. Oh, the suction cups got stuck to the bottom of my pot. And that's not bad at all for a bird bath or something small. It's pretty great. I'm gonna unplug it for a sec. Let's try out one of the nozzles. Let's do. Oh, this one looks pretty cool. It's a classic kind of bunch of little holes in it. Bring it up. That's pretty nice for a bird bath or anything. Honestly, that'd work good in a pond. I'm making a mess. I'm unplugging it. I'm gonna try one of the small nozzles now. This one's just a really tiny one that fits over the top. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's quite a lot of vertical reach there. I am making a mess in here. Now I know some of you are like, Jeff, what about the solar panel? How does that work? Well, I set up this quick little experiment to show you. Here we go. So we got the pump in our water. We're gonna connect up the solar panel now. Solar panel is connected, and we're gonna put it in the sun. And yeah, that almost seems like more power than what the USB was giving it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool little fountain, and only a few dollars on Amazon. All right, well that's the pump. I hope this video helps you out, helps you get a better idea of what you're getting yourself in for when you order one of these. But you know, I'm very impressed. It does exactly what it said it would do. That's about all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions about the pump, feel free to drop me a comment below and I'll try my best to answer. If you've made it this far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Till I see you next time, thanks for watching.